Hello and welcome to this new course. This course is about the basics of Linux for cybersecurity. In fact, in this chapter, we will discuss the historical evolution and philosophical foundations of Linux. So, introduction to Linux. Linux is more than just an operating system, it represents a philosophical movement toward open source software. This presentation will explore its historical evolution and the foundational principles that have shaped its development and community. The birth of Linux. In 1991, Linus Torvalds, which comes the name of Linux with X without S, released the first version of Linux as a personal project. This marked the beginning of a new era in operating system, emphasis on user freedom and collaborative development. The initial release laid the groundwork for a robust community-driven platform. So, open source philosophy. The open source philosophy is central to Linux's success. In fact, it promotes transparency, collaboration, and freedom for users to modify any distribute software. In fact, Linux is come without any cost. It is open source without you have no you have you don't have to pay any pence or any dollar to get Linux. It is free. It is open source. The philosophy This philosophy has attracted a diverse group of developers and users, fostering innovation and community support. In fact, in Linux, you can find answers for your question in a matter of seconds, especially now with the AI and many forums related to Linux distribution. A milestone in development. Over the years, Linux has seen significant milestones, such as the introduction of GNU General Public License and the emergence of various distributions. We have to say that we have, for example, Debian, we have Red Hat, we have Ubuntu distribution, we have Kali Linux for penetration testing, we have Parrot OS also for penetration testing, and so on and so forth. This milestone reflects the dynamic nature of the Linux ecosystem and its adaptability to user needs. Impact in technology. Linux has profoundly influenced the tech landscape, powering everything from servers to smartphones. Its robustness, security, and scalability make it a preferred choice for many organizations, driving the adoption of open source solutions across industries. For example, Facebook, Google, YouTube, and so on and so forth use Linux in their servers because it is open source without any cost, and because it is very robust in the matter of security and it is very powerful and low consuming of resources, and so on and so forth. Conclusion and future outlook. In conclusion, Linux is the historical evolution and philosophical foundation have established it as a cornerstone of modern computing. As technology continues to evolve, Linux will likely remain at the forefront, championing innovation and collaboration in the software community. Last but not least, thanks for watching. In the next chapter, we will discuss the various distribution and the use of each of them, and really I am happy to assist you to begin your journey in the Linux distribution. Thanks for watching.